Hey everyone, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Woodworks and welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to show you how I use this Milescraft Circle Guide Kit to cut out this tabletop. Let's get to it. The Milescraft Circle Guide Kit comes with everything you need to make circles from 1.5 inches all the way up to 52 inches. You will get the circle guide head, aluminum beam with large circle slide, hardware pack, small circle jig and slide, and the offset base. To get started, measure from corner to corner to find the center point of your tabletop. Then, use an awl to mark the center, and use the included drill bit and pre-drill a hole for the pivot screw. Measure out half the distance of your circle from the center point and make a mark. Then place the center pivot over the hole and secure it tightly with the pivot screw. To make the top 36 inches, I moved the large circle slide to 36 inches and locked it down. Line it up with the I for an inside diameter or to the O for an outside diameter. Attach the large circle guide head to the aluminum beam and tighten down the knob. Place the large circle slide onto the center pivot and push down to make sure it's secure. Remove the manufacturer's base plate from the router you're going to use. Then insert the centering pin into the router. To install the bushing, twist it fully into the base plate. Lower the base plate over the centering pin and rotate the base plate until the correct mounting slots line up with the base mounting screw holes. Then, remove the bushing and centering pin. Insert the provided 1/4 inch straight bit into your router. Then line up the 3 arrows on the base plate with the 3 arrows on the circle guide head and turn clockwise until it locks into place. Lower the drill bit down and make sure the bit is aligned to the outside of your mark you made earlier. Set the depth of your router bit and you're ready to make your first pass. Be sure to make one complete pass on your circle before lowering the bit down again. Each pass should be between 1/4 inch and 5/16 of an inch. Since this top is on the thicker side, I did have to switch out to a different router for the last pass to go all the way through. Once your circle is free, remove the router and the base plate from the guide head. And unscrew the center pivot. Well, there you have it, one 36-inch white oak round tabletop. This thing was fantastic. I highly recommend using the Milescraft Circle Guide Kit This is the first time I've used it, but I'm telling you right now, this is not the last. I highly recommend using it if you need to cut a circle in anything. I did have an issue, however, with the depth of cut on one router, and I had to switch over to another router, but all in all, super easy to use. I'm very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, click that like button, and if you're new here and not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell, that way you get notified when I put out a new video. If you want to follow along with everything going on in between projects, head on over to Instagram and follow me at 2-Bit Woodworks. And if you'd like to support my channel, I'd really appreciate it. Head on over to my website, 2bitwoodworks.com, pick yourself up a set of plans or a hat, or hit up my Patreon page, which is linked in the description below. As always, thanks for stopping by. Come back soon. Take care.